Okay, Lollipop, I'm going to show you how to flush out the hot water heater. So here's the hot water heater. We're going to turn it off, and then we're going to turn off this red valve here is the hot water output. This valve right here, the blue one, is the cold water input. We're shutting both of those off, so now water is not going in or out of it. Then we're going to open up this hot water flush valve cap, cold water flush valve cap. We're going to flush it backwards. We're going to take this pump down here, which I have in a bucket. You could also use a 5-gallon bucket. And we're going to, this has a hose connected onto it. We're going to flush it. We're back flushing it, so we're going to flush into the output. Hot water is the output. I'm going to tighten this on here. There's these hose fittings always have rubber gaskets in there. I'll show you one. Behind the guy here, you can probably see something there. There's a hose, and I'm going to reach back here and get that hose. And we're going to use this for the output. See, now you can see, and here there's, see that red black gasket? It's a black rubber gasket. So that's what's going to make a seal on here. And we're going to screw that onto there. And probably don't actually ever have to do this again. Okay, so now the output is going to go right into there. That little black thing is a suction cup that came off the pump. It's no big deal. Okay, so there's the pump is in there. I'm going to have to plug in the pump in a minute, but first we're going to put in some solution, which is typically pure vinegar. In this case I'm using diluted phosphoric acid, which is, some people say, better. Very tight in here. I'm pouring this in. And the pump is covered up, which is good, with solution. Okay, now I need to plug it in. Okay, so I'm taking the plug and plugging it in right there. And, oops, I forgot to open up. It's not doing anything. I got to open up these valves. Okay, so now with those two valves open, I'll probably just heard a little bit of thing there. Now we have, if I lift this up, you'll see solution is pumping through there. And that we will leave for a while.